Okay, so hi you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all my Nykaa hauls. So this is going to be like the second haul video on my channel. Recently the Nykaa the end of season sale got over and I bought so many things from it, like some 9 to 10 things, and I'm going to show you all everything. So yes, let's get started. Okay, so we will open this box and let's see. The first item we have is this PAC's banana powder. Okay, so the second product we have from the box is this Bronson's mini makeup wedges. Like, this was the whole set. I got this for 85 rupees or something. This was very cheap, so I quickly got one. You can see how cute are they. How cute is this? Like, literally. This is used for your eyes. So another product is from Blue Heaven. These are their colorful kajals. This is in the color True Blue and this is in the color Green Queen. This is like their 2x intense kajals. So I just wanted to try this, so I bought. I will just open the green one and show you all the pigmentation and everything. Like, if you can see, I'll just give you all a swatch. This is nicely pigmented. You can use this for smoky eyes and everything. It's really good. Then I bought this eyeliner smudging brush from ProArt. This is their PE29 smudging smoky liner brush. I got this from my vanity again because PAC के brushes मुझे कम पड़ रहे थे. Okay, so it came with like a case, like the brush protector or something, so you can just put it like this so the hairs don't get damaged. So here I have the Plum Hawaiian Jumba. Like, I wanted to try this perfume since so long. I'll just open this and show you all. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.